It is currently August 9th today. I got a photo shoot today, and well, hi. Okay, bye. We got a photo shoot today. Yeah, that's pretty much like the main thing today. But yeah, by the way, officially her name is now Mona, because Mona in Spanish is like doll, and she's like a little doll to me, so just Mona. Yeah, you're so cute. I actually got her because look at her little nose, it's like so small. Now she's like trying to get out. Okay, we're putting you down. There you go.
I bet you wish that you had kept me, and now you're falling on your front teeth, and I can see your skin a tint of green. Oh, you'd wish you wouldn't know. Oh, you'd wish you wouldn't know. I bet you wish you didn't touch her. See, now you're making out you're so hurt. The way you made me feel was much worse. And now you wish you could reverse. Now you wish you could reverse. Everything is gone. For you I had nothing, absolutely nothing. But I bet you wish, 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 I bet you wish. Yeah, it's all gone. Oh, we wish we had something, we got nothing. But I bet you wish, I bet you wish, I bet you wish, bet you wish, I bet you wish, I bet you wish. But it's all too late, too late. By a fantasy. For you I had nothing. I think you understand you messed up, but now how dare you even mention love? Love is the last thing that you give to me. And don't you even think to lie, don't you even think to lie. There are no words which you could ever say to erase the hurt you sent my way. After retuning from recovery, I bet you wish that you were mine. Bet you wish that you were mine. Bet you wish that you were mine. You're way too late, and I was on this freaking train, and I saved you a place. You threw it back.
So I'm completely done. I've already finished my makeup look. As you can tell, if you could see really closely, if I could just lower the volume a little bit. My lashes are not put together, so I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna put them back on again, because these are really cute. They're like really cute, like little wispies and stuff, but yeah, they're not sticking on. But other than that, I got my outfit already. So I have this like cute little over-the-top shirt with these like chokers right here. I got this just like regular just pants. They're kind of like not skinny like.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Skinny legs. They're not skinny jeans, they're just like regular jeans. I got my booties, they're on the floor. And then she's always sleeping. Either like she doesn't like make it to toilet or something, or just me just doing my own thing, but she's always sleeping, whatever. So now my friend's just gonna pick me up. I feel like these are two different colors, but I think they're kind of cute. Like, I don't know if you see right here, this, I like this. It's kind of like, I don't know. And I got my like ring right here. It's not gonna focus, is it? There we go, kind of focusing. I lost all hope. There we go. So I got my little ring here. I got another one over here. It looks like a little ladybug, but yeah. So so we're all good to go. We're supposed to go. Oh, and I also added some little highlights so my pictures could be like kind of popping. I don't know they're gonna be popping because the sun's gonna be going down, so I don't know. yeah, I just felt like I wanted to share that I finally got my mirror up and going. I don't have much to say except for like I kind of just went for like a natural look, but apparently in the thing in my camera it doesn't really show. But yeah, I think she just texted me. Let me check. Oh, she's here. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'll take you guys with me, and let me just reapply my lashes, and we could go. All right, bye. So that kind of wraps up my vlog from yesterday. I'm currently I'm already ready to go to work. Just kind of want to do like a little natural look, but other than that, yesterday I couldn't really wrap it up because
That's what she said.
but I couldn't really wrap it up because my friend was here, and I kind of, you know, she was gonna leave to college and stuff, so I kind of just wanted to spend as much time with her as possible, so I didn't want to bring out the camera and stuff like that and just like end the vlog. And we were just having a good time, so pretty much, yeah, my face is in focus, so whatever. But other than that, I keep saying that, I feel like we should make like a little thing called like for every time I say that, you guys should take a shot, so.
Okay.
Yeah, but anyways, that ends my vlog. We took nice pictures as a result. They're posted on my Instagram. I will link all the stuff, all my social media, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, pretty much. I think that's all social media I pretty much use. I will link it down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little itty bitty like short vlog. Okay, so yesterday obviously like I was gonna have a photo shoot, and I decided, you know, hey, I'm gonna buy some lashes so I could be extra poppin', and this is what my eyelash looked like I can't even focus it, but I'll show you. So this is what my lashes look like, right there, right? It's all nice and pretty and stuff like that. And this is what it looks like after your dog's been in your room and he finds it on the floor. This is what it looks like right here. And I was looking for it right now. Like I was like looking for it. I was like, oh my god, I need to find it because I like to like sometimes be like a little extra and like be like extra popping at work. But now I know where my lash went, or where the other half left. So pretty much yeah. But yeah, okay, now. Oh my gosh, no, not my shirt. So honestly, this is how I lose my stuff. Always, always. That's how I lose all my stuff. Oh, okay, bye. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you think that I should do something else, something different, any feedback, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys have a nice day. Oh, and I'm sorry about how like blurry it's like it has been. Like I've been using my phone lately. Like I don't know how to explain it. I've been using my phone most of the time. So like there's like a glare to my glasses. But I've been using my phone most of the time, and now that I like actually have like a good camera, like I can't like I'm trying to like learn new things about it, but be patient with me. I will get to learn how to use this camera, and well yeah, I was gonna wrap it up anyways.
That's what she said.
So have a beautiful day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, stay tuned. Bye. I'm recording you this whole time.
You're recording me this whole time. Am I gonna be on the video?
Yeah.
Am I gonna be on YouTube?